Hey everybody, it's Momma Lori here, and we're getting ready for the 4th of July. Kids, I just wanted to show you how to make my baked beans. You start out with a bunch of beans. I'm making a small batch today, so I got 6 cans of mixed different types of beans that I've rinsed and strained. I've got a good heaping 2 cups of cooked sausage, a good heaping 2 cups of chopped bacon, and then about 3 cups of sauteed onions, celery, and garlic. Now to that I'm going to add brown sugar, about a cup, and I'm going to add some ketchup. That's about a half a cup. Some mustard, which is about a third of a cup. Syrup, which is about a quarter of a cup. And then about a half a cup of vinegar. In this case, it's blueberry vinegar. That's what I had. You can use red wine vinegar. Well, the other thing that I do is I do add just a smidge of smoked flavoring, just a very little bit of liquid smoke, and don't always use that. Your bacon has the smoke flavoring, and so does everything else. You're going to add some salt and pepper to that, and what you're going to do is you're going to cook it for a very long time on low. Now you'll adjust these items as needed, as to your taste, and you're going to cook it for a very long time. You notice I don't have any liquid in here because I'm making a liquid. This is my speed method. I like to have dried beans in my pantry so that I can make things from the beans whenever I want, have them in any kind of an emergency. And it takes a long time to do that because you have to soak them and overnight cook them. It just takes a long, long time. So in this case, when I'm trying to go fast, I get canned beans that have already been sorted, already been rinsed, already been cooked. And that makes it much, much faster. Still have to slow cook this to get all the numminess going. And after a while, I will check it and see how things are going as far as the juices in that. I need a nice syrupy mix, so I'll probably add, as needed, more ketchup, just some more goodies. Anyway, that's a baked bean. It's going to be delicious. See, you could eat it now because everything in it is cooked and delicious. So good. Anyway, cook it for a while. I have it on high right now just to get it going. I'll knock it down to low, and I'll cook it for a long time. That's Momma Lori's baked beans. All right, enjoy. Bye-bye.